Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am your Teddy. I'm going to introduce you to PowerPoint. Here we are going to learn about PowerPoint. So I'm going to open my PowerPoint. Let me first close this. You come to your search menu. It is part of Microsoft Office. So you can see it is here. Open it. So I'm going to take you to the PowerPoint. PowerPoint, by definition, is a program used to make presentations. So when you want to make your presentation, you simply come to PowerPoint. Here in PowerPoint, we use slides just to educate you on how to operate these things. One, the slides, you should not put too much information on one slide. As it is by definition, it is PowerPoint, so you go straight to the point. When you type points and not too much information, not essays. So how do we do it? For example, this is my first slide. In this, when you want to, based on the information you want to present, maybe you want to talk about communication or you want to talk about anything of your choice. So you will simply come to new slide, you click on it. Since for me I already created one, you can see. So that is my first slide. You come and click on the title. Maybe for me I want to talk about any topic, talk of maybe communication. See? So, but it has to be in capital letters. Let me highlight it. Then I put it in capital letters. After this. So, here you can be, maybe I will say, because I'm the one talking about it, so you type maybe by Teddy. So meaning I'll be the one taking you through this presentation. So this is a simple introduction about it. So now when you want to add another slide, you come to new slide, click on it. So this second slide will contain what you're going to talk about. For me, this is just introduction. Let me put introduction of what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to define. I'm going to give the types maybe of communication. I'm going to give maybe let me say the 7 C's of communication. Maybe in my final, I'm just going to create 4 slides. I'm going to talk about the importance of communication. So this is a brief introduction of what I'm going to talk about. And so having known what you're going to talk about, so if you want now to go to it in details, you come to new, you add your slide, you see. So our first slide, what we are going to talk about in this next slide is definition. of communication. So you come there, will guide this previous slide will guide you of what you're going to talk about. So we are going to define communication. So in this, like I said before, PowerPoint is all about putting points. Like you go straight to the point. It's not about essays or what. Maybe for me I can say transfer. Enter and receiving. Then messages. So you go straight to the point. It's not about now essays. I've already finished to define like that. So I come to my next slide. So in my next slide I'm going to talk about the types of communication. All the titles should be in uppercase. Don't forget that. So I put verbal, then non-verbal. You see? Then I come to my next slide. I'll talk about the 7 C's. C's or tenets of communication. Maybe I say 7 C's of communication. Then you come and talk about them. We have clarity, completeness, we have quickness, maybe correctness, so after finishing my 7 C's of communication, the importance, come to my final slide. In this, I thought you just go straight to the point, like the first time. Relationship, conflict, maybe sharing information, then after finishing your work and you want to modify it, you have seen this and you be like, how do they do it? So if you want to modify your work simply without using master slide or what, so Okay, before that, this is briefly how you do your PowerPoint, how you put your work. So now if you want to put designs, anything you want to modify on your PowerPoint, so you simply come to your slide like I came before. So you go to insert, maybe if you want to put your transitions like that. So you can put to all of them. You see? So you're inserting transitions on your slides. If you want to put designs, this is how you do it. Like that. So if you want to insert maybe animations on your slides, you come to insert, then you come to animations. You see? First, make sure this one is active. You highlight on it. So if you want to put that animation, or if you want to put that one, so that's briefly how we had animations, transitions on your slides, on your PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for your time. Thank you for giving me your attention. See you in my next video, where we are going to talk about how to use master slide on PowerPoint presentations, how to add designs using master slide. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.